Oh, good morning, my peeps. Like I said, I'm going to be cleaning up my table today. And the first thing I have to do is, you know, sort out and edit all this minutia that's all over the table. Put away my pins and needles and, throw away the extra pieces of felt that I'm not going to keep. But I wanted to show you something that I'm doing. I went through all my felt. This is what I'm going to keep. I threw away the pieces that were too small. But on this pink felt, anything that was large enough to make a circle that I could use to make flowers, like this circle here, which is actually a rather large one, I kept, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these flowers out now, so they're all pre-cut out. I used one of these with the kitty on her ornament, and it was a stacked flower. It had this as the bottom petal base and then one of these yellow things on top with a bead. So it makes sense to stop and take a few minutes to cut out some flowers so that they're all pre-cut. I know I'm going to use a bajillion of them as time goes on. I also wanted to show you something kind of funny. So I've got these little pieces of parts I'm throwing away and cutting up and stuff, and I come across this, and for all the world that looks to me like a pig that is leaning back a little bit and his little neck is up there and he's howling at the moon. That's what it looks like to me. I'll show you. See, here are his little feet. Here's his tail, his back, his ear. And here's his snout, and his neck's all pulled back, and he's howling at the moon. So I'm going to put him on an ornament, just him alone. My little howling at the moon pig. Then of course I'll have a moon up there, blah blah blah. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you that this is a good way to kind of get yourself ready for upcoming projects. Cut out blanks of things when you have the opportunity. I think I'm going to vlog my day today. I just had my coffee. I'm having my tea. Grant and I are still fighting over the coffee beans. He made me tea, God bless his heart. I love it with half and half in it. And I told him he needed to go buy some expletive deleted coffee beans and forget this nonsense of continuing to look for them. Don't know where they are. They'll turn up eventually. So anyway, that's how we're starting our day. And I'll come back and talk to you some more after. Oh yeah, and I want to share this with you too. So that bed over there is intended for a friend's pet, a friend's cat. But I can tell I'm going to have to make another one for my friend's cat because my cat, Mia, has taken over this pet bed. She sleeps in this thing all day. She absolutely loves it. And there's just no way I have the heart to take her beloved new bed away from her. So I just wanted you guys to see Mia happily asleep in her own little bed.
Hey, what you doing, Otter? What you doing, girlie? What you doing, baby girl? You are one good kitty. Have you stayed with me during my daytime sleep? You have. Every time I've woken up to go get water, you've been right there next to me, huh, baby? It's time to get up, though. Our day's beginning. We have felt to put away, huh? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. You want to say hello to your adoring fans? Yeah, there we go. There we go, sweet girl. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Whoa.
Well, I didn't clean off my table like I said I would. And as far as I got on the felt, was putting it in a color-coded order. But remember that little piece of pink felt I told you I found in here and that it looked like a pig to me? Well, here it is. I call this Pig Contemplates the Universe. I think she turned out real cute. It did look exactly like a pig. So this wasn't one that was inspired by somebody else's work. This is just something that that came from that little piece of pink felt right there looking like a pig. So, anything on the back? Yeah. So maybe it's time to introduce her to the rest of the gang. So let's bring her on over here. Hi, everybody. Oh, Lord, not another one. Ooga Booga. Ooga Booga says, what is she doing? Well, she's contemplating the universe. This is Pig. And she's thinking how she is both the most important and the least important thing in the universe simultaneously. More existential crap. Yeah, well, I think it's a nice sentiment. So do I. So who are you guys? Well, I'm Kitty Corn. I'm Hippie Heart. Ooga Booga. He says his name's Ooga Booga. I'm Owl. I'm Seahorse. I'm Ralphie. I'm some sort of kitty. And I'm Snowman. Well, I'm Pig, and what I do is contemplate the universe, so I guess I'm supposed to get in there with you. We're gonna need a bigger bowl. Well, is there a place for me? Let's see. Let me see. I could sit on the owl's head. There we go. Do you mind, Owl? What did you say? I said, that's okay. You can sit on my head. Okay. There we go. All right. Golly. That bowl is getting full. I guess, Ralphie, you climbed back in the bowl? Yeah, those clones were really making me nervous. Well, how come? I don't think they've moved since you brought them here. That's what I mean. They don't move, they don't talk, they don't breathe, they don't do anything. Well, that's a good thing, Ralphie. You know that you're the most important guy in a bunny suit in the universe. Yeah, I guess. You know, you might be able to learn something from little Miss Pig. She's pretty cute. I know, she's wearing the same outfit I am. I know, isn't that interesting? Well, okay, everybody. This time, I am putting the felt away. Oh, yeah, and before we put this vlog to rest, I wanted you to know that I also did a Halloween party treat cooking video today as well. I made a pumpkin cheese ball. Not with pumpkin, it's just a cheese ball, but it's designed to look like a pumpkin. So go over there and look at that. I'm going to be doing, I don't know, 3 or 4, maybe more Halloween party food videos. Like I said, I'm having a Halloween party, so these are the things that I will be serving at my Halloween party, starting with this big old mess of a pumpkin cheese ball. So look for that. Bye.